What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Lovely Eats. Yeah, I changed the name, y'all, but it's all right though. We back, and today I got to y'all. Excuse me. I gotta show y'all this. So look what I've created. I have created the 4-stacker. I'm gonna call it the pterodactyl. This is what you call a pterodactyl burger. This is what you call a pterodactyl burger. So check out what it's composed of really quick before we Before we indulge ourselves in these lovelies right here. Guess what? It's composed of a patty, cheese, patty, cheese, patty, cheese. I think it's probably one more of a patty, cheese, pickles, and I would have did some regular onions, but I didn't have any regular onions. I thought I had some, but I didn't. So I used up some chopped in the bottle onions. I used those. You know what I mean? Yeah. But ain't no more talking. Let's go ahead and grab it, and we gonna eat. All right. All right. Hold up. I gotta figure out how to grab it. So I didn't quite think about it. But look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that cheesy pickle good. Did I say pickles? I probably didn't say pickles, but look at that cheesy pickle goodness, y'all. Y'all watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna show y'all something. I want to show y'all something real special. Okay, this is coming straight to y'all. This is straight to y'all. Okay. Yeah. Some A+ burger right here. The pterodactyl. 4 meat, 4 cheese. Now I add extra cheese on mine because I love cheese. Love cheese. You know what I mean? I don't see who don't love cheese. Cheese makes everything better. Y'all want to see something again? You know what? I should patent this burger and sell the recipe to Wendy's. Ain't no recipe to this burger. Just a regular burger. All right, so y'all see how crazy I've done it, right? Let's do a little bit normal and slow. Oh snap! Can't have no meatball. Ain't nothing go to waste around here. We're gonna put our hand right here, right? We're gonna flip it. Now check this out. Check this out. Check this out. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Got the mustard. Got the ketchup. Pickles. Patty. And all the rest. Now, I'm gonna come out with a T-Rex burger. Y'all gonna love that one. Trust me. Y'all are gonna love the T-Rex burger. Cause if we got a gorilla like me, right, and I'm maxing on this 4-stacker, it's called a 4-stacker. Not a dome, not a single, not even a triple. It's called a 4-stacker, right? I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it. I'm actually gonna get him full. But I got something I wanna tell y'all though. It's a little secret between us, all right? Keep that between us, okay? I'm looking at y'all right now. We looking at y'all right now. Okay? Well, I can't lie to him. The cheese puts this mug together like, The cheese, man. I got so much mess right here. Well, the cheese put this burger to the test. Yo, I'm gonna have to hit y'all with my Kool-Aid. But check this out though. This is homemade, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That looks amazing. This is homemade. Okay? You ain't gonna find this at, you know what I'm saying, McDonald's. I ain't gonna find it there. Nah. They gonna sell you $4 about a little single patty, you know what I'm saying, burger about as big as a bite-sized little pizza roll. That's all you gonna get. Too. Oh, snap, focus, camera, focus. Camera stop focusing. I don't know why. But we back. Yeah, big burger. Like, I don't know if I can put it in comparison. Let me see, put my face next to it. Look at that. Look at that. Put my face next to it. It look crazy. Now, I know it's doing a little different. Don't got everybody with me than I used to. Which is alright. It's just temporary. Woo! That smells good. I'm gonna tell y'all, ain't waiting around here. A burger like this too hard to come by, I'm trying to tell you. But next time, the T-Rex, I can't give away my secret recipe, but the burger bit me back. I don't know what happened. I couldn't that bottom bun and I bit the bottom of my lip. I'm like, the heck? It was a good dinner though. Real talk. Instead of going out and spending $15 on a single meal, I can make like 6 of these on $12. You know what I mean? And these are 4 stackers. These are 4 stacks. 4 stackers. That little extra $3 without talking about, put some bacon on them, you know what I'm saying? Bacon and barbecue sauce, that's how you do it right there. But trying to tell y'all, bacon can't take on the way. But bacon and barbecue sauce, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's what makes the world go round. Trying to tell you. Hope y'all didn't hear that. Trying to tell you. You know what I'm thinking about? Put the real onions on them up. Some lettuce, tomato, like I was thinking. You banging. You the real MVP at that point. You know whose name they gonna be screaming at the next party? They gonna be screaming your name. But that's gonna be lit right there. Look where we at, y'all. Look where we at. I'm surprised I made it this far. I'm like thirsty. We may gonna have to hit y'all with that Kool-Aid, you know? My whole mouth, it can't even fit over the burger. That was great, pun. It's hot. Woo! Y'all was about to defeat me. I don't know how much more I can take. Can't hit. Man, burger so big, make you wait. I don't even have to say that. Burger tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. I wouldn't recommend doing that though. I really wouldn't. I'm wrong. Well, good burger, but don't slap your mama though. Okay? I ain't trying to put nobody in the hospital. Regret. My arm getting weak. Too much burger for me. I have to wrap it up. I don't know, y'all. I think I've been defeated. No! So much burger. Why? Why have you defeated me today? Alright. I thought it got me. But then my stomach was like, nigga, you don't shut up, make more room. So made some more room. And I'm back with some Kool-Aid. Mug good. Yeah, mug good. My tongue gonna be red, y'all. I was gonna say, this is cheers to the pterodactyl. Cheers to 2018. Cheers to some other stuff. I don't know. What good happened in y'all life? Let me know. You know what I mean? But yeah. Woo! Be a brain free. Yeah, I ain't down in it like I'm not about to chug it. You know what I mean? I just can't do that. I can't chug. What's chugging? Y'all. 4-stacker, y'all. And all I got is this 4-stacker just looking at me. I told y'all that bit me on my lip earlier. I'm so serious today. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna end the video right here. Hey, check this out. We booming. Alright? 2018 is our year, y'all. It's our year, not just my year. Our year, y'all. Like I said, if it ain't for y'all, I ain't where I'm supposed to be. You know what I mean? I do this because I like entertaining y'all. But check this out. Leave comments about what you want. You know, if you want like a 10-stacker, or a 20-stacker, or a 50-stacker, I'll do it. I'll do it for y'all. You know what I mean? Like I said, I'm here for y'all. If y'all want 100 stack of cheeseburgers, I mean, if it gets in the comment, you know what I mean? If the comment booms up, then trust me, I'll make 100 stack of cheeseburgers. It's gonna take a long time, but I'll do it. I will cook it from ground up. I'll get like a big old skillet, right? Cover all the eyes. Throw like 8 cheeseburgers on that one. 10 cheeseburgers. And I have to do 10 roll cheeseburgers. That cost me like $1,000 to make 100 stack of cheeseburgers. Okay, look, forget it. I'm going off course what I'm talking about. I just want to say, hit that subscribe and a like button, y'all. If y'all liking what y'all see, I do this twice a week. I'm coming out with a schedule. That's how y'all know. I'm telling y'all, 2018 our year, y'all. But all right, y'all, I'm going to end the video right here. I will see you all next time. Peace.